Welcome back to the channel guys, hope you are all doing well. In today's video I'll show you how to open Signal private messenger after you have installed it. Super quick and super easy. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to set up your Signal private messenger. Let's get right into the video. First you need to open your Signal private messenger. Look for the Signal app icon that is right here on my phone. It's a blue chat bubble with a white outline as you can see here. Just tap the icon once and the app will launch right away. If it's your first time opening, Signal will ask for a few permissions like access to contact and notifications. You have to simply tap allow on them. As you can see, I have already opened the app before this, so that type of pop-up doesn't appear on my phone. After that, you will land on registration/setup page. You need to simply use your profile or your Gmail or your phone number to register or log into this app, and that's how you can open Signal private messenger. In the next video, we'll dive into setting it up and actually chatting with friends securely. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more this type of Signal private messenger videos, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out the next tutorial when I post one. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you on the next one.